happy because number one, it's Friday, and number two, it's cheat day, and I get to eat a cookie. Hey y'all, it's Hannah, and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I have a beautiful golden yellow makeup tutorial for you all, and I'm so excited for you all to watch this video because I love creating this eye look. It is just so beautiful and just so pretty, and honestly I think this would be kind of appropriate for everyday wear. I mean, you probably wouldn't want to wear the lashes, but I mean honestly with a little bit of mascara, I don't see why you couldn't wear this out in public. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this makeup tutorial. Alright, the very first thing that I'm going to do is Optimus prime my eye with the Smashbox Photo Finish Eyeshadow Primer. Hey, I love this stuff. It keeps your shadow in place all day long, and it really helps to make your colorful eyeshadows pop. You obviously can tell that I've been watching way too much Mickey tutorials because I just said Optimus Prime, which is what she always says in her videos. I usually just get like a tiny little amount. I feel like sometimes people can use a little bit too much primer, and I really think that you just need a little bit. So I'm just going to apply that straight to my eye with just my finger, and I'm just going to blend it out with my finger as well. This primer is a little bit on the pricier side, but honestly, it's worth every single penny that you pay for this at Sephora or Ulta. The best place for me to get it is Sephora because we don't have an Ulta in my town. Alright, using my Urban Decay eyeshadow brush, I'm going to apply the shade Wristband into my crease from the Profusion Festival eyeshadow palette. Next up, I'm going to apply the shade Headliner to my lid, and it is a beautiful golden yellow shade, and it's just a beautiful eye color, and it is really a showstopper on the lid, so that is where I'm going to be applying it with this little flat shader brush, and I'm going to be damping the brush with this little water bottle that I got from Dollar Tree. It's super cute and pink, and the reason why I'm going to damp it is because the shadow appears more pigmented, and it really looks more glittery when it's applied wet, so that is why I'm going to be wetting the brush. Alrighty, now I'm going to take the shade Witty into my crease using this little Urban Decay eyeshadow brush, and that shade is just kind of going to help everything blend out a little bit better and just look more cohesive and like it goes together. I have to say that I love the shade Headliner on the lid. It's just such a beautiful show-stopping color, and so yeah. Alright, now I'm going to apply the shade Sunnies to the lower lash line, and I think that's really just going to kind of cohere with the shade Headliner that we already have going on the lid. And then in the inner rim of my waterline, I'm going to be applying this L'Oreal Voluminous Smoldering Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Brown. Alright, now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on some mascara. And the mascara that I'm going to be using is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I'm just going to be doing one coat on my upper and lower lashes. Alright, now I'm going to be applying a false eyelash to my eye, and I'm using the Kiss Lashes in the style Sultry. Alright, now I'm going to warm up my complexion with the Beauty Big Bangs Bronzer and Highlighter Duo. I'm just going to be using the bronzer side like always. This is in the shade 03, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using this big brush. Alright, and now for blush, I'm just going to be using the e.l.f. blush in the shade Shy. This is a beautiful peachy pink blush, and it's going to go perfect with this beautiful eye look. So to apply it, I'm just going to be using the Profusion blush brush. Alrighty, so I made a major boo-boo over here, and I added way too much blush, so I tried to fix it the best I could. I tried to even it out a little bit over here on this side, but I really hope that it doesn't look bad on camera because I really tried to fix it. But I wanted to add a little bit more blush than what I normally wear on a daily basis just to see how it would look, and it went disastrous. So I think I'm just going to stick to just lightly dipping my brush into blush because I sometimes can go very, very hardcore. But anyway, let's move on to highlighter. So for highlighter, I'm going to use my Hard Candy Fox in a Box highlighter in the shade Glamour Girl. Unfortunately, this is no longer available, but these were exclusively available at Walmart because Hard Candy is a line that's exclusively available at Walmart. To apply it, I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. highlighting brush, and this highlighter is a gorgeous golden toned highlighter, so it's going to go perfect with our eyes. Last but certainly not least is lips, and then we're done. So for lips, I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Be My Baby. I actually used this the other day in a tutorial that I filmed, and ever since then, I've just been stuck using it again. It's just a beautiful nude shade, and it's going to go perfect with this eye look today. Alright, my little unicorns, that is it for this golden yellow makeup tutorial. I really hope that you all did enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video really, really soon. Bye!